Hello everyone, I'm Sun from Shandong Cocoly Fertilizer Limited Corporation. Today I'm in the laboratory of Cocoly. In 2013, we created a new category in the fertilizer industry, granular water-soluble fertilizer. Before 2013, water-soluble fertilizers were mainly in powder or liquid. Powdered water-soluble fertilizers are mixed with powdered raw materials, while liquid water-soluble fertilizers are composed of liquid materials and animal acids. But liquid water-soluble fertilizers are not convenient, so in 2013, we mixed liquid raw materials with powdered raw materials by adopting unique low-temperature granulation technology to make them into granulars. After 3 minutes, they will be dissolved into liquid completely without residues. It's convenient and it will satisfy growers' different fertilization habits in different periods, such as basal fertilizer, flash fertilization, drip irrigation, etc., owing to its full water solubility. And then I will introduce the formula of Cocoly fertilizer. Firstly, the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium of Cocoly complies with national standards, which are high-quality raw materials, so they have full water solubility and no residues. The biggest advantage of full water solubility is a high absorption rate. Secondly, Cocoly has mineral potassium fulvic acid raw powder whose concentration and purity are much higher than ordinary potassium fulvic acid. Not only that, it has water hardening capability. The pH of tap water may be alkaline or acidic with poor water solubility, while the water solubility and absorption of potassium fulvic acid raw powder is better. Thirdly, chelated trace elements including calcium, magnesium, ferrum, and ultrafine boron. Fourthly, we also add 2 unique strains to Cocoly, Bacillus cereus and Bacillus subtilis. The main function of Bacillus cereus is to clean up the harmful bacteria in the soil, and the ground root crops are prone to disease on the surface like potatoes, gingers, and other root crops, while Bacillus cereus can help to solve the problem. The main function of Bacillus subtilis is to restore the soil and breed beneficial microbial flora. Additionally, Cocoly has liquid elements which includes various amino acids. The common one is condensed molasses fermentation solubles, which will increase organic matter in the soil. Another is polyglutamic acid in clear liquid, which has a higher concentration than ordinary polyglutamic acid. Just like liquor's different degrees, usually it's applied in high-quality facial masks or medical industry owing to its great water retention and cells repairing capacity. Besides, fish protein is also added into Cocoly, which usually applied in winter to raise the temperature of the field, and it will have a pretty good effect on the root system of crops. And then we use polyaspartic acid to improve absorption and utilization rate. Chitin is also added into Cocoly. Finally, polymeric acid substance, the core ingredient of Cocoly fertilizer, is extracted from snails and then discovered the similar substance from legumes. It can maintain moisture, promote the effects of fertilizers, and help plants to defend against pests and diseases. With so many ingredients, Cocoly fertilizer is created. There are many granular water-soluble fertilizers on the market that are similar to Cocoly in appearance. Because of their cheap prices, those fertilizers are also simple in ingredients. Although their colors are similar to Cocoly's after being mixed condensed molasses fermentation solubles with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium raw materials. They haven't chelated trace elements, mineral potassium fulvic acid raw powder, Bacillus cereus, Bacillus subtilis, polyglutamic acid, fish protein, polyaspartic acid, chitin, and polymeric acid substance. These are differences between Cocoly fertilizers and other granular water-soluble fertilizers. Cocoly has been focusing on one product for 10 years. Today, I want to share a sentence with you that is, the greatest invention of mankind is fertilizer. The replacement of fertilizers bring abundant food and clothing for us. Only when we solve the most basic needs can we devote ourselves to manufacture spacecraft, cell phones, and automobiles. Because of fertilizers, our agricultural output doubled from 50 years ago, and Cocoly's mission is to let global agriculture get good harvest. In this way, mankind can live a well-loved life. That's all. Thank you.